Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing a pretty cool piece from the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami collaboration. Now this is the multicolor Emily notebook cover MM, and it came with all of the bells and whistles. So it did come with a sticker pack, which I think is a really nice touch from the brand. If you've seen some of our other unboxings, you will notice that we've gotten a sticker pack before with one of the notebooks, but since then I haven't seen any. So it's really interesting to see what they decide to come with, and I don't think there's a rhyme or reason. Now, I think the sticker pack is actually one of the nicest elements that come with the packaging, so I'm really excited when I do receive one and kind of bummed out when I don't receive one. I know everyone's, bummed one way or another if they didn't get the full packaging, but I think that's the one that packs the most punch along with these ornaments. Now the ornaments do have the multicolor LV monogram on the back side, so again it's just a really nice touch. Now I did also get the ribbon, which has of course the 4 characters on there. So you have the cherry blossom, you have the panda, you have the cherries, and you have the onion head. And it is a pretty long one because this does come in a big box. Now let's talk about the box for a second. This is from the 2024 winter collection, and I haven't seen this box before. I was really surprised that they packaged it in this because this collection came out in 2025. So I guess whatever store it came from or online, they probably just had an extra box and they chose to put it in that to, give a little bit more oomph or a little bit more of a special unboxing, which it was, so I appreciate it. Now, unboxing our item for the first time, I am genuinely impressed. I know that some folks have been reporting some issues with the canvas or the coloring, but I have to say this is a really spectacular presentation. I was really excited to get this piece because I have seen the notebook itself, and I figured it's, a repeatable, a reusable notebook cover, which I would get a little bit more use out of. So I went with the notebook cover as well. Now, I really love this pattern. I think the small LV monogram was the right choice to put on this item, so you get so much of the print, and then the hot pink colorway that is inside is just wow. So taking a look at the corners, I want to show you all of the bells and whistles. I do think that the craftsmanship on here is perfect. I know some other folks have been, talking about how the craftsmanship may have been a little rushed, but I'm not seeing it with these pieces. Now, I do have the LV Takashi Murakami sticker from the sticker pack, and it is mimicked on the inside on the bottom left. So it is a really great memento from the collection that it is the 20th anniversary. Now, of course, we do have our information cards, which I do always recommend keeping, maybe not inside the pouch because it's going to get a little cramped in there, but keeping in your box or in your dust bag, just so you have an extra layer proof of authenticity if that's something that matters to you. I genuinely think this piece is going to be one that kind of speaks for itself. So I think it's, it would be very hard to mistake this for something that's not authentic. That being said, if there is something that meets this quality, wow, that's a good product as well. So let's go ahead and try this out with a notebook. This is just a notebook that I had lying around, and I did not purchase specifically for this. I didn't measure it, but it does look like it is going to fit. So the length of the overall product is 5.5 inches. The height is 8.9, and the width is 0.8. So just to give you some reference of what you can fit in here. I also tried to fit my Kindle in here. I didn't thread it all the way through, and it does not cover, the whole width of it or the whole height. So just keep that in mind when you're planning what you'll use this for. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you think of this product in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.